Alright guys, welcome to the final video in the series. Now, I might add on to this later down the line, but for right now, it's the last video. I made all these videos in one day, so my voice is getting tired out. But yeah, in this last video, I'm going to show you guys how to make lookalike audiences based off people who already purchased. So you are going to need some purchases to make this work, but it's important to know, even if you don't, so that way when you do get purchases, you know how to scale. So we're going to be creating what's called lookalike audiences. And basically what that means is, and when you create a lookalike audience, it goes and finds people who look identical to the people who purchased from you in the past. So those people are very likely to purchase, obviously. So this is how you get really cheap purchases and how you really scale a store to the moon. Okay? Your computer just turns into a machine that prints fucking money after this, right? It just shits out $100 bills, and it's pretty awesome. So, I'm kidding. Just saying. So, after you click create ad, same as last time, we're just gonna select conversions. Name this whatever you want, and then click continue. And again, leave this at purchase. And last time we made a custom audience based on visitors. This time we're going to make a custom audience based on buyers. So click create new, click create custom audience, click website traffic, and then right here it says all website visitors. Click on it, there's going to be a drop down menu, and you're going to want to find buyers. So nobody purchased on this pixel yet, so mine doesn't say buyers, but yours will say buyers, and then just select buyers. And then leave this at 30 days or put whatever you want. You could do 180 days, I think is the max. Yep. And then name this buyers. And then click create audience. After you create custom audience, you're going to want to click find new people similar to your existing users. Now shit's interesting, right? Because we have a custom audience of people who have purchased from us in the past. And I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick at the end of this video on how to use this to make even more money, right? So, but to create a lookalike audience, right, we want to find people identical to this or similar to this. So click create new, click lookalike audience, leave this at 1%. So basically all you need to know is the higher the number, the less targeted, but the more you can scale, right? So 10% would have 10% of America in it, which would be like 21 million people, whereas 1% would have 2.1 million. So if 1% is profitable, you can try scaling to 2%, and it might be profitable, and then you have more people in your audience size. So that's a little complicated. You guys really don't need to understand that now. Just leave it at 1%, and in the future, if you want to get more buyers, you can move this to 2%. But for now, all you need to know is leave it at 1%. Now for source, you want to type in buyers. And that's going to pull the people who purchased from your site in the past. And leave this at North America. It should pop up. Or whatever country you targeted before. And then select create audience. And we're good. You want to delete buyers so that we're only targeting our 1% lookalike. Again, we can ignore the targeting. Again, you want to leave this on Instagram. Leave this again at your max cost per purchase, or around like 10 bucks. Click continue. And that's it, guys. That is how you set up a lookalike audience and really scale your product. This is how you can get, thousands of purchases a day. It really is this simple. This is how you scale to the big numbers after you already have hundreds of purchases on your pixel. Now, before I end this series, I do want to throw in a little bonus here, a little ninja trick you guys can do to make even more money down the line. So now that you have, let's say 500 purchases, we can resell to those 500 people. Again, right? Now, the one exception to this is if you have really long shipping, you might piss people off. But if so far you have a good customer experience, you can resell to these people who purchased from you in the past. I'm sorry guys, my voice is wearing out. I made all these videos in one day, but so yeah, if you have like 500 buyers, you can resell to those people again. And that's where you really make a lot of money, because once someone is a buyer and they had a good experience with you, they're likely to buy again. It's really simple. You just leave everything the same, but instead of targeting lookalike, you target buyers. And now you're going to hit people, and now your ad's going to be displayed to people who already purchased from you in the past. And now you just upload your ad for another product, and that's how you resell another product to the same people, and how you make even more money. So that's the series, guys. I'm going to be adding to this probably later down the line, but that's it for today. 10 videos in one day. I think I did pretty well. Yeah. Subscribe, guys, and turn on notifications, because again, I'm giving away a free course to my subscribers, but also I'm going to be putting out tons of content that nobody else is talking about on this channel in the coming months, and it's going to be awesome. So subscribe, turn post notifications on, comment done below, and leave a like down below. Helps other people get value as well, and it helps my videos be seen. Now, if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment below. I'm going to try to answer all of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you got value, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take action. Now, guys, go back, rewatch this entire series, and take action while watching the series. So if I teach you how to set up your product page, set up your product page as I'm teaching you how to. So go back, rewatch the entire series. I really recommend doing this. And that's how you're really going to get results and how you're going to learn. So go do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Stunting on my old hoes, styling on my haters. Presidential is rose gold, say it's time to get paper. Glock 10 with that laser. Fuck around.